Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I got a shop card shout out and a single kit stash ad that I wanted to show you guys. So this afternoon I moseyed on down to my mailbox and I found me a shop card from none other than Captain Nemo, Neamon Chambers. Thank you, Neamon. I appreciate the shop card. I hope you got mine. I know I sent it out last week sometime. So Neamon and I swapped shop cards and I finally got his today. Neamon, thank you for the message on the back. I appreciate it. Thank you for the support of my channel. And, hope you have a good weekend, buddy. Alright, guys. If you haven't checked out Neamon's channel, you should. He's a really great guy. I'll leave a link down in the description. So the other day when I was at Hobby Lobby, obviously I picked up that Ford GT kit and the CUDA. And I was looking at this kit. And then today, my kid went over to Hobby Lobby and I said, you know what, go grab me this kit. So she was nice enough to go over to Hobby Lobby and grab me this kit. And I've been wanting to add this one to the stash. So I'll probably do this one. Obviously not right away. I got too many projects on the bench right now and upcoming and everything. But I'll eventually do this one. Yeah, I got some contractors here today, and they're working on the roof, and right now they're eating lunch, so I figured I'd take the time to do a little video and talk to you guys and show you what I got and do the shop card shout out. And I just want to show you this little goodie. So I got this done last night. Obviously, I made a post about it. Didn't come out too bad. I dig it. I mean, it's not, yeah, it's a snap together kit, but, it's good to pass the time and everything. Keep the juices flowing. I weathered the bottom a little bit. Don't look too bad. When I put the decals, the star decals on the door, they actually broke, which I was kind of surprising because they feel kind of thick. But one of the stars broke, so I just pulled both of them off. No big deal. But as I was saying, I think this kit will lend itself well to a kit bash, the body and chassis specifically, because I think that there's a lot of room in here. You can cut out the engine plate and everything, and I think you would have enough room between the frame rails here to actually fit an engine in there. And of course it would look really good blown. So yeah. So that's pretty much all I did. The interior is tan like I showed you guys. The dash black, gauges white, trimmed in silver or malto chrome or whatever. No, actually that's an insert, chrome insert. That's right. And look, I made a boo-boo. I touched the top. I had some glue on my thumb and I touched the top and I left my prints in the top of it. That doesn't happen very often. Scratch built the bars in the back. Don't want those criminals escaping. It was a fun little build. If I were to do it again, I would relocate this axle a little bit and, maybe jack up the front end a little bit more to make it look more like a gasser. But that's it. Oh, Mike, I got a new Hot Wheels car. The engine sways side to side when it's rolling. Alright, guys. That's all I got. Thanks for watching.